So after this, we have installed the Windows. The shortcut is WN. So again, we usually insert anything inside the level 1 plan only, right? So here, let's click on window. So by default here again, it is showing me only these three types of window. One is fixed type, other is casement type, and third one is double hung type of window with different dimensions. So let's say I'm choosing this one from here and inserting this window at this point and here as well, right? On this wall, I have inserted these. And here we have casement type windows as well. I'm going to insert these on this wall here, right? You can insert these like this. Here you can, as the setting we have for doors, we have flip settings for window as well, right? So here you can click on this button. Let me flip this window to inside as well. So click on this flip button or press your space button. It will flip inside and outside with that, right? So let me load some other type of windows inside my project. So again, we have same setting. Click on this button. Here we have load families. Click on this, go back, find here the door setting, right? Sorry, windows. Here we have windows. Click here. Again, we can find here multiple windows. So whatever the type of window you want to install, you can select from here and install, right? Let's suppose I want this openable glass type of window. Click here, right? It will take you to this, and here you can install this window at the point you want, like this. Here, the same setting of sill height and head height we have for windows as well. If you want to change this, you can click on these buttons, or you can switch to your 3D here, right? So here you can see all those windows. So if I click on this point, you can see its sill height is 2 feet and something in inches. After that, we have head height as 7 total. You can change this from here as well. You can click on this point, right? It is showing me here 2 feet. Suppose you want here only 2 feet. So type 2, press enter. Your window will move accordingly, right? So in this way, I have inserted here multiple types of different windows. You can orbit around it and see it like this, right? Here, this was your main door. Suppose I want to create windows on this part as well. Okay. Let's say I want to create this type of mullion windows on this front part, right? So I will select this window. Here we have one option that is called create similar, right? So if I select this window, click on this, it will create the same windows. I need to install it here, let's say at this point, right? And you can drag it, orbit it. Let's say you want to insert here as well. You can click at this point, right? So in this way, you can create windows at these points as well. So if you can click on the C here, right? This is the settings, the windows we have created here, right? If you want to change its sill height, head height, again, we have same setting for this.